This is Marty with Marty's Diesel, and today's video is going to talk about what your regulator should sound like once it's been installed. We get this question a lot, and basically, as long as it's a consistent noise, like a consistent psst noise, typically we find that there's nothing wrong. In the event that it's inconsistent, extremely loud to where you can hear it inside the cab of the truck, or something like that, I'm going to refer you to go back to a like a fuel aeration test. But if it's not that and it sounds like what this next part of this video sounds like, you're just fine. There's nothing leaking. It's a pinch point. It's a return. It's a regulated return. What it's doing is it's taking the fuel that's coming into that regulator at roughly a gallon a minute, and it's pressurizing it to 60 psi. It's then sending all of the excess fuel back to the tank, and it's a pinch point. So think about what your outside hose sounds like when you have like a spray nozzle on there. It makes a noise, and it's psst. Think about the noise that your faucet makes at your sink when you turn the water on. Obviously, when there's no water moving through there, you don't hear any noise. As soon as you turn the water on and you allow water to come out of the faucet, it starts making a noise. Obviously, there might be an aerator there or whatever else, but the point here is that whenever the fuel is getting compressed and it's being released to go back to the tank, you're going to have a noise. So go ahead and check out this next video. It's a customer video that they sent me. He was asking the common question I get about once or twice a week. So you guys get to see the video that he sent me, and you'll be able to see what a normal regulator sounds like. Again, there is no problem with this guy's regulator in the next video. So even him like messing around with the line or checking for leaks or anything like that, you're not gonna find one, okay? If you have a leak there, it's not gonna make a noise. It's just literally going to leak fuel into the valley. You can't leak without putting fuel in the valley right there, okay? There will be no air leak. That's a common misconception too. So once again, watch this next video, and it's going to show you what your regulator should sound like.
All right, I don't know if you can hear it, but like right. I'm trying to put my fingers around it, but I don't know if that explains, but I've changed that fitting 3 times, and it's the same time everything. Not a bit of fuel leaking out of it. And I don't know.